Today I'm going to show you how to use Incognito in Google Chrome in just a few seconds. This is one of the simplest features in Chrome, but it's really useful when you want to browse privately, avoid saving your browsing history, or open a clean session without your normal cookies and logins getting in the way. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots icon, which is the main Chrome menu. Click those three dots to open the menu. A drop-down list will appear with different options for Chrome settings and tools. From that menu, look for the option that says New Incognito Window. Click on that option and Chrome will immediately open a new dark-colored window. That dark window is your incognito mode. You'll know you're in the right place because Chrome usually shows the incognito icon and explains that your activity won't be saved in the browser history on that device. Now, it's important to understand what incognito does and does not do. It helps keep your local browsing activity private on that device, which means Chrome won't save the pages you visit, the cookies from that session, or the information you type into forms after you close the window. This is useful if you're using a shared computer, testing a website, logging into a second account, or just want a fresh browsing session. But Incognito does not make you invisible online. Your internet provider, school, workplace, or the websites you visit can still see your activity, so it's private browsing, not complete anonymity. If you want to use Incognito for another task, just repeat the same steps. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, and choose New Incognito Window again. You can also use keyboard shortcuts if you want to go faster. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. That will open a new Incognito window instantly. When you're finished browsing privately, simply close the Incognito window like any other Chrome window. Once you close it, Chrome removes that local session data from your device. So that's how to use Incognito in Google Chrome. It only takes a couple of clicks, but it can be really helpful when you want a cleaner and more private browsing session. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials just like this one.